Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some quick and easy porch welcome signs using DIY paint, JRV stencils, and Iron Orchid Designs transfers. Let's get started. I purchased these boards from Lowe's. They are actually stair riser boards and they cost about $7 each. They are 4 feet long by about 7.5 inches wide. These boards are made of pine and I knew they would soak up paint quickly, so I applied 2 coats of DIY Paint's Salvation Solution primer. After the primer had thoroughly dried, I applied 2 coats of DIY paint in the color Beadboard. I let the paint dry and then it was time to start the stenciling. The boards were 4 feet long, so I measured the center at 2 feet and knew that's where I would put the middle letter of the word welcome. This way I could be sure that the word would be centered on the board. Using the JRV stencil brush and the JRV stencil set called Uppercase Letters, I applied the stencils to the board. Using the DIY paint color called Little Black Dress. When stenciling, dip the brush in the paint and then offload quite a bit so that not too much paint remains on the brush. Use a straight up and down pouncing motion so you don't push paint underneath the stencil. If you happen to get a little bit of the stenciling paint in a place you don't want it, lightly sand it and touch it up. I then sealed the boards with DIY Paint's Big Top Sealer. For one of the signs, I chose the Iron Orchid Designs transfer called Winter Song. Cut out the pieces you want to use, remove the paper backing, lay the design in place, and then use the plastic tool that comes with the transfer to gently rub the transfer onto the board. Use a soft cloth or a sock to gently rub over the entire transfer. This process is called burnishing and it helps the transfer to adhere properly to the surface. I then used Big Top again to seal over the transfer. And here are the finished signs. The other Iron Orchid Designs transfers that I used were Frond Botanicals and Wander. These signs are quick and easy to make, and they make great gifts as well. They would do best on a covered porch out of the weather. To purchase any of the products used in today's video, visit your local stockist or my website, mamabearblue.com. And special thanks to the DIY-aGoGo YouTube channel for letting me contribute this video today. Thanks for watching.